With over 30 years of Formula One expertise, the Alpine factory in Enstone is now developing state-of-the-art components and technologies for the BWT Alpine F1 Team. The same carbon used for the Alpine single-seater features in the A110 S Enstone Edition's cockpit as a tribute to Alpine's know-how in motorsport. The A110 S Enstone Edition cockpit in black microfibre with gray stitching incorporates carbon elements from the same workshops as those used for the Alpine single-seaters. It extends and reinforces this exclusive experience with, for the first time in an A110, an interior made up of authentic carbon components from the design tools, moulds, and autoclaves of the Alpine F1 factory in Enstone. The visor decorated with the famous A arrow, the central console bearing the BWT Alpine F1 Team signature, and its drop zone. A plaque numbered from 1 to 300 proudly displays the exclusivity of each car and the sporting origins of its cockpit materials. Each owner will receive a certificate of authenticity from the Enstone factory, signed by the BWT Alpine F1 Team.